Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. I just wanted to come out and give y'all a tour of the fall, winter garden, whatever time it is. It is December the 13th, y'all, and I wanted to turn my camera around and just show you guys my 9A garden. So let's jump right in. All right, so starting with this girl right here. So I know y'all seen my short, but this is Angel, my angel trumpet. Look at her. This is Angelica's daughter. And y'all look, it looks like, so she has reddish, kind of pinkish rose-ish color, and this one is yellow. Look how gorgeous that is. And she has bloomed more since, let me come out a little bit more, since I showed you guys on my little short video. Yes, yes, yes. Hey, Angel. Yes. All right, y'all, so panning over, this is my these are cherry tomatoes. This is my eggplant, and we have flowers in December. What? Yes, what? Over here we have some onions, some more onions. This was a bell pepper tree. It has died. My beans, they died. We had a little short, brief cold weather, and the beans died. Back here are some more eggplant. And did I say eggplant for this? I think I did. I don't know. I was so excited when I saw the flower right there. I might have said something else, but yes, those are eggplant. So this is another bell pepper tree that it still is green at the bottom. So I don't know. Maybe I'll bring it in the garage and see. This is my mint. This is Hawaiian punch hibiscus, and this is some more beans that yeah. So this is that eggplant. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. December, baby. Of course, I'm in the Houston area. So this is a pumpkin. Yeah, and you guys can see that. Over here we have lettuce, green onion, garlic. Help me out with this, y'all. I forgot what this one is, but it's growing. Basil. This is dewberry. I transplanted this from the front yard. This is my, oh God, what is this? Excuse my French. Brussels sprouts. That's what it is, Brussels sprouts. And if you guys saw in a couple of videos ago, the cabbage moth was tearing this sucker up, but he is back. This is some more basil here. This was is a the snackable bell peppers right here. I don't really know what this is. This was like a volunteer plant, but I don't know if it's a weed or a plant, but I said I was going to let it grow to see what it was. If it's a weed, it's just coming out of there. Point blank. This is another bell pepper. Well, no, this is the poblano peppers right here. Some more lettuce and some garlic in there. That's another bell pepper back there. Let me pan out so you guys can see. So lettuce, poblano, I don't know. My brain ain't working. Basil, and that's a snackable bell pepper back there. And this is Angelica, y'all. This is the original OG angel trumpet. So last year she died. From, you can see from this one right here, she died, but she came back. So this is Angelica. I don't really know what to do with this sugar cane, y'all. I really don't. So I just leave it, and it's been growing on its own. This is a just I forgot the name of it. It's I don't know, but I need to drain that water out of there. It'll come to me. This is my blueberries. They died off. Some more beans. I don't know what this volunteer thing is that grew. I just left it there. Look at my buddy right there. Y'all see him? Let me see if I can zoom in. Y'all see him? Look at him. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, dude. Hey. I don't know his name. I just call him Buddy. So that's him right there. My neighbor had to come and put this up because Buddy was in my yard. So yeah, back to this. I don't know what this is, but it looks like it's infected with something. I tried to look it up to see what it was. It gave me a couple of names for the tree, so it's gonna come down. Here is my cherries. Yes, I have lots of bulbs. I have lots of flowers, but no cherries. And it's supposed to get cold in a couple of days, so I don't know what's gonna happen to the flowers. These are some more beans, which I haven't been taking care of. And this is my mayhaw tree, and it only produces in May. I didn't know that. And look, my lemon tree. This is, oh, I didn't see that, y'all. Look at the, oh wait, let me zoom in. The bees are on here. And the blooms, y'all. Look how pretty that tree is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let me zoom in over here. Look at that. And look at that bee. Y'all see that? And this one here, down here, right next to it. That's another, that's calamandin. I hope I'm saying that right. Tree. So yes, this is my Meyer lemon tree. This is Karina. My son named her Karina. This is another tomato. Y'all see that? In December. Hello. I'm about to bring it inside though. Oh, I ain't even see these. Look at that. Yes. And I'm about to get away from these bees. Oh! Y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna be no beekeeper. All right, so this is some more lettuce. This is just some plants that I some seeds that I threw down there. So this is beans, and I don't know what the purple one is back there, which I'm not about to walk in right now because all of these bees by this doggone tree. But as you guys can see, that is the squash over in that area. That is I don't know, it'll come to me. So we have another bell pepper. These are some jalapeno peppers that I need to cut off because they didn't turn red. This is another poblano tree. And look at this. We have some red mustard greens. We have some kale. We have some purple. Yeah, red, purple. Yeah, that's what I was saying. We have lettuce in the front. We have garlic in the perimeter. Garlic in the back. And they are blooming blooming, growing. And then over here, I need to pull this out because this is gonna, I don't know, it's a weed, but it's gonna take off up the whole area like it did during the summer. We have kale in the back, purple mustard greens. Is that collard greens? Collard greens, broccoli, spinach, and garlic. So yes, y'all, this is December 13th, and it's warm outside. I mean, the wind is blowing, but yeah. Oh, and then let me come over here back by the lemon tree where all the bees at. If you see the vines right there, those are blackberries or dewberries, one of the two. But I think it's blackberries because they had blackberries producing last year. And look at Buddy. Look at Buddy. Y'all see Buddy? Where he went? Oh, he walked off. So, yes. Look at that lemon tree. Maya lemon, y'all. Maya lemons. Come on, lemons. Come on. Come on, bees. Pollinate them flowers. Pollinate them flowers. All right. So, last but not least, these are my poor little, tired little okras. Yeah. We had a cool front come a couple of weeks ago. It's been about a month. And they kind of died off, but they coming back. And then over here, which is a hot mess. This was my strawberry plant, but yeah, strawberries kind of died out. This is another one. They died, and this is look at that, an asparagus. Oh, I don't know what to do, y'all. Do I cut it or do I let it grow? Look at that. I got one asparagus, y'all. Oh my goodness. My husband gonna be excited. I don't know what to do. So I need to do some research on that to see what do I need to do. Do I bring it in the garage? Because we're about to have another cold front coming. So yeah, y'all, this is the garden. December 13th, 2022. Fall garden. Here it is. Thank y'all for coming. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you are not a family member, we would love to have you over here. Divas and Divos. It's free 99 to subscribe. Share me with your family and your friends. Y'all, I don't know why I'm so scared of these bees now. I know why I'm so scared of these bees. We had a pool during the summertime, and my son got stung, and ever since I've been scared of the bees. Other than that, they wouldn't, I mean, I would get out of their way, but they wouldn't really bother me. But now, since they they are plentiful, guys. But now, since he got stung by the bee, they scare me when they are near. I don't know why. They don't want me, but my brain don't function that way. All right, y'all. So, thank y'all for coming. Thank y'all for watching. Share me with your family and your friends. Hit that like and subscribe button. Did I say that right? Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video. I can't wait to get some cherries, y'all. Some cherries. And I will see you guys in the next video. And until then, you know what it is. Peace.